Apple David, go ahead.
Let's go.
Yes, Tricky. Alam niyo, bukod sa players ng New San Jose Builders, ang isa pang tuwang-tuwa sa panalo nilang yun ay ang kanilang coach sa Perpetual na si Coach Sammy Acailar na nanonood from the bleachers. Grabe ang palakpak niya kanina. Tinuturo pa niya yung kanyang mga players, lalo na si Clemente. You know, applauding the great job, the hard work they put in sa court. At ngayon masasabi ko na sa hada nila, napakasaya nila and lalong inspired pa sila na makakuha ng isa pang set. And hopefully, makuha daw nila itong laro na ito. Balik sa
Galing nung report, pati si Coach Sammy nakita ni Apple dito. And we all know Coach Sammy Acailar is a veteran coach. Marami nang naipanalo yan. Nice to see him here.
Yeah, naabutan ni Tech Suitor si Coach Sammy Acailar sa volleyball eh.
Hindi na ako papunta dun eh.
Hi, Tex.
Dinala mo pa dun eh. Tex, hindi ako yun ha. si Pablo nagsabi niya. Okay, set 3. If you're F2 Logistics, nabulaga. Uy! Nung Feb 18, 3-0.
Yes.
Ngayong ang araw ng 8 ng Marso, naisahan kami ng New San Jose sa set 2.
Which shows that they prepared
No.
for this particular game because ayaw nilang maulit yung 25-4 massacre nung third set ng first game nila.
But here in set number 3, yung kumpiyansa, yung momentum, nagpapatuloy para sa New San Jose Builders. They're up 2-0. And after I said that, it's a service error by Malu.
It happens all the time.
Dapat din na pinopunta.
So ngayon, kailangan ang momentum ng Cargo Movers yun. Kailangan bilisan nila kasi nahawa nga sila eh dun sa tempo of game ng Victorias. So hopefully, it's not too late yet.
That's an ace for Abby. At ganun kabilis, tabla tayo sa dalawa.
Abby has a strong serve, so all you have to do is really let the ball bounce off your arms. You don't really need to exert much effort. Just direct the ball to your setter, like that.
Kumombo sila doon. Muntik maka-score, pero maganda depensa dito ng F2 Logistics. Imbo with power. No problem there for F2 Logistics. They go to the captain with net defense. Gagawa ng paraan. Action continues. Cargo Movers. Gendrauli will score and that.
What a smart play from Gendrauli. She waited for the blockers of the Victorias na bumaba bago niya pinalo yung bola. Kaya yung pababa na yung blockers, dun pumasok ang bola niya. See? Nice that.
At namang dito. Oh, I stand corrected. F2 Logistics. That's right. Namang sila ng isa. 3-2. Subok dito ang Victorias. How will they do this one? At the net, tuloy pa rin ang aksyon. To the back, Serafica. Shot! Will score!
That was a good play called by Serafica. You don't see that all the time. Nice execution from Cha Cruz.
Another look here.
There goes that. Kasi si Cha Cruz, normally makikita mo yun sa outside eh. But at that particular time, she was in the chest zone.
4-2 ang ating score. Lamang ng dalawang F2 Logistics. Quick one for Colleen. They didn't earn a point there. At nagsorry si Kapitan dahil yung kanyang palo tumama na.
Oh, kasi yung set ni Gendrauli masyadong napalabas. Okay, she tried to do something with it. Tumama na sa net.
Cindy will serve. They're down by 1. Cha will try again. And that's a good hit coming from the captain.
Bumawi agad dun sa error niya of hitting the antenna. Yan ang captain. Para you lead by example.
5-3 is the score. Cargo Movers up by 1. Cruz will serve. 4 attacks. 3 aces so far.
What a serve from Cha Cruz.
And Condada was telling Cindy that was out.
Sana nakinig.
Pero syempre, di ba, yun yung pinag-uusapan nga natin. It comes with experience. Talagang yung decision making.
Yes.
Kailangan humasa doon. Dilet. Balik sa kabila. Back set. Serafica will go to Gendrauli. Cabriana kay Lara. And that's a mistake.
Right. Kitang-kita eh. You know, setting is the art of catching the ball. But when you catch the ball, it has to be really, really, really fast. Yung kanya, kitang-kita mo eh, natulog yung bola sa kamay niya before she lifted that ball.
Imagine our distance from the floor. You were looking at Shaira. From this angle, alam mo eh.
Oo, kita na.
7-3, 4-point lead for F2 Logistics. Miss hit by Lara.
Mababa yung kamay ni Lara kaya tumama sa net.
That means we'll go into a break. 8-3 ang ating score. First technical timeout ng set 3 lamang ang F2 Logistics. Cruz muli.
What a
Magsiserve.
floater.
Uy!
Ang ganda ng floater niya. A-serve. You know what she told me before? She really practices her services kasi gusto niyang mag-earn ng point agad from the service zone para hindi mahirapan yung teammates.
And that type of service will lull the defense to sleep.
Ang ganda ng floaters niya.
8-3, 5-point lead for F2 Logistics. Serafica. They go to Gendrauli. Again, that's a good setup because people thought dun sa kabila, she'll go to Musa.
Yes.
Pero napunta kay Gendrauli.
Good combination play there by Serafica.
4 attacks, 5 aces for the captain. They're up by 6.
Nice.
Suyat. Balik sa kanila bola. Lara. Serafica will go back to Gendrauli. And she'll score again.
Yun nga yung weak zone eh, yung zone 6, yung gitna ng court. Kaya si Gendrauli, hindi na niya tinatamaan yung bola ng malakas eh. Placement na lang ang ginagawa niya. And she targets zone 6 for a quick point for their team. Less effort pa.
It's not all about power.
Yes.
I'm a fan of the off-speed.
Aha.
Ang dami mo naloloko doon.
Oh, correct. Sasabihin ko ngayon eh, ang daming naloloko sa off-speed.
At parang turumpo si Cha Cruz kanina after releasing that serve. Alam niya hindi aabot. She kept on turning around. Gigil sa sarili. But they're still up, 11-4. Yellow shirts. Gendrauli pa rin. Pero maganda depensa ni Lara. Suyat will score off a deflection.
Bawi naman agad. Etong Victorias.
They're down by 6. It's 5 serving 11. Maribeth will serve. 5 attacks under her name. Janet will go to Lilette.
Malakas talaga ang kamay ni Lilette eh, kaya hindi pwedeng walang blocker si Lilette Mabayad. Whether you put her in the outside or in the middle, nako, you have to watch out for her balls.
Parang may pogo stick
Oo.
pag tumalon
Taas
si
din.
Lilette.
Oo.
7-point lead for F2 Logistics.
Good first ball.
And Suyat doesn't mind scoring off deflections.
Yes, that was a good first ball, kaya magandang setup ni Cabriana. And of course, kahit nandun yung blockers ng F2 cargo movers, nagawa ng paraan ni Suyat using her smarts.
6 serving 12. And serving now for Victorias, it's Umandal. And Umandal, service error.
Bumagal yung andal. Pilit eh, no? Okay, sorry. Back to
I
volleyball.
shot. That's... Minsan na okay din naman yung mga ganyang flavor, chick.
Okay.
Ito na nga, Rania Musa.
Okay, here we go, Musa.
13 serving 6. Pag-usapan natin mamaya. Suyat. Janet will set up Abby.
Good
Sa kabila,
coverage.
Shaira to Jamela. And open zone 6.
That was a good coverage there from the Victorias. Nagkaroon pa sila ng play by saving that ball.
I love how Musa apologized to the bench. Taas balikat, smile and say sorry.
Try not to do that again.
Yep. Oh, they have the luxury. They're up by 6. Janet will go to Abby once more, going to the back. Jamela was there. Free ball. Abby again. Great net defense by Imbo. Lilette, soft touch. Everyone was waiting for a powerful hit coming from Mabayad.
Yes, nakita niya na yun ang depensa. Yun yung, yung stance ng defense ng Victoria. So what she did was she just changed the speed of her ball.
And if you have a good leaping ability,
Oo, ni hang time.
pwedeng gawin yun.
Yes.
Mid-air.
Correct.
Clemente nagparamdam ulit. Parang kanina pa siya tahimik. Talking about Malu.
So now that she's in front, maganda yung front line ni ni Coach Ken in terms of hitters. Lara, dependable sa 4. Suyat sa, no, that's Imbo, sa outside.
Free ball. Chance for New San Jose to score. And that was a good setup by Cabriana for Lara.
Yan ang dapat gawin ng Victorias. Come up with different kinds of plays. Alam mo yan, ang nag-iisip niyan si Cabriana, the setter.
So before niya iset yun, itatawag na niya.
Alam na, oh, dapat alam na ng teammates.
14-9. Lima pa rin ang abante ng F2 Logistics. Great net defense by Malu.
Ito, ang laki-laki talaga ng improvement ni Clemente. That's why naaaliw akong makita siya. Kasi nakita ko siya nung hindi pa masyadong marunong, nahihiya pa. Ngayon, ang lakas na ng arm. Natatimingan niya yung blocks.
May kumpiyansa.
Oo, that's a difference.
And Shaq Cruz saying, okay, I'll put it on open space.
O kaya, she also said, okay, here's a veteran move.
But that's risky.
Yeah.
Pupuntahan mo yung zone 2
Oo.
na nasa gilid.
Kaya kabisado niya ang court.
15-10. Make that 15-11. Another point for Clemente.
Nga, now, Cabriana needs to do something kasi baka mabantayan na ang middle hitter.
And medyo natakot ako dun sa nakita ko. Parang nagbe-beast mode na si Abby.
Galit.
15-11, but that service error by Clemente means that we're going to the second technical timeout of set number 3. 5.8 for F2 Logistics, 16-11. Seven attacks already for Abby. Akala ko beast mode na, napapasmile siya pag naririnig niya yung cheer ng mga fans niya.
Oh, they encourage yan si Abby. Right now, chine-check nila ng Victorias yung rotation kasi mahirap nang magkamali. So now, lumabas si Clemente and pasok na yan si Gayo.
You have to follow the rules, the protocol talaga. And I love the fashion statement ng mga players. May hikaw.
May hikaw.
May hikaw.
Ang tingkad ng hikaw mo ni Gendrauli.
Pati si Shaq Cruz, tapos si Abby naman known for her clips. Sa kabila naman, Colleen Bravo with her colorful headband or hairband there. Love the fashion.
Ito sabi ni Victorias may touch daw yun but none was called.
So 17-11, F2 Logistics up by 6. Cabriana going to Lara. At the net, that's a gift. At hindi sasayangin yan nitong si Musa.
Kailangan nga if you know that you have a missed reception, go back right away to your position so that you can receive etong regalo. There, see? Wala sa position si Gayo at that time.
Cabriana couldn't do anything but just duck para hindi tamaan. 18-11, the mga F2 Logistics. Ito, usapan muna ng ibang laro. Sa March 12, dadayo kami sa Batangas City Coliseum. Unang laro, New San Jose versus Petron. Alauna po yan, alas 3. F2 Logistics kontra Signal HD Spikers. Both games, live po yan. Huwag kalilimutan. Dadayo kami sa Batangas. Sa mga Batanggenyo, abangan nga kami. Easy-easy lang sa Barek. 19-11.
Kailangan mag-usap ngayon ng Victorias. Kailangan kumapit sila if you wanna get this set.
F2 Logistics up by 8 slowly, creating a huge space between themselves and the Victorias. Cha going to the back. Jamela was there. Imbo targeting zone 1 at walang nagawa dun si Abby.
Malakas yung kamay ni Imbo when she hit that ball. Natawa na lang si Abby dun sa bola ni Imbo.
If you look at the frame of Cindy,
yes,
hindi mo akalaing papalo ng ganun kalakas yan.
At
Kita mo?
mag-serve ng ganun kalakas din. This has been the perennial problem of the Victorias, their services. Palagay ko sa next training nila, service ang i-overload nila.
My guess is, sa ensayo nagagawa eh. Pero pagdating dito talaga sa laro, it changes.
True.
Unang-una, puro ilaw dito, may crowd, at may TV coverage.
True, pwedeng factors yun talaga. But when you're a player, kailangan na-zone out mo yung mga yan. Yung TV.
Anything outside itong apat na
Oo.
linyang yan, ano?
Yes.
Rosal will be coming in. So pinaiikot ni Coach Ken kanyang mga manlalaro. 13 serving 20. Gual will serve. Serafica will set it up. Jendrauli will score again.
That ball of Jedrauli wasn't even the kind of hit that she planned kasi sumabit siya sa net, but it did the job.
Nagsorry pa nga eh.
Oo, nag-sorry pa, medyo nahiga.
Every time she goes up, kita mo yung parang kagat niya sa labi na
Oh, kasi she wants to do a good job eh.
Rosal. Janet will set this one up. Lilet. Great dig there. Suyat finding the donut.
Nicely done by Suyat, aiming again zone 6. That has also been the problem of the cargo movers since the previous sets.
And we gotta give credit to Gayo.
Yes.
Dun sa bolang yun. Because without that reception,
Yes. Maganda yung dig niya nun.
oh. 21-14. Another service error by the captain.
Siguro dapat umatras pa talaga ng todo-todo si Colindel. Ang lakas ng kamay niya eh.
Behind the A-board.
Oh, behind na lang.
Sa A-board ng Sports 5. Musa will serve. It's 22 serving 14. F2 Logistics up by 8. At hindi nahabol ni Jendrauli. Good hit coming from Rosal.
Maganda yung pagkaset din doon ni Gual.
So, umi-score naman ang New San Jose. It's just that
Yes.
F2 Logistics are 3 points away from
Yes.
getting set 3.
That's right. Siyempre, ang plano nila to stop the Victorias in the set.
Perfect opportunity to score again. Oh, another miss hit coming from Malu.
Nakataas yung kamay niya eh. Kailangan wrist action.
Ipipitik mo, no?
Oh, pitik.
Easier said than done. Timing pa nga lang sa bola, mahirap na. Okay, 23-15. New San Jose, they're down. As we start the first day of round 2, ito ang ating team standings. Ang Signal naglaro na, pero tumiklop sa Petron Tri-Active Spikers in 4 sets.
And it was an exciting 4-setter game.
So, 6 teams. Ulitin lang natin. In any given round, 4 na team ang maglalaro.
Yes.
Tapos per team will participate in 2 rounds.
Yes.
Ergo, magkakaroon ka ng 6 na laro.
Yes. Tapos,
Oh, go ahead.
the top 3 will advance to the
Advance.
finals.
So, 4 na team, lalabanan mo na isang beses, may isang team kang lalabanan ng 2 beses.
At kailangan, when you play the game, limited to 3 sets as much as possible kasi quotient system tayo.
Yes. And also, makakapagpahinga kayo.
Yes.
Sapagkat mabilis nga itong ating invitational.
Right.
Hintayin nila pag dumating na yung international team.
Yun ang exciting talaga.
Mabigat na yan. Okay. Back to live action here. 24-15. F2 Logistics. Abante ng Siam. Victorious on the attack. Serafica will go to Cruz to the back. Suyat was there. At Yumul naka-sigh of relief dahil yung palo niya tinamaan ng F2 Logistics.
Ang ganda rin nung ikot ng players ni Coach Ken. No? As much as possible, is trying to put everyone inside. Kahit na ba few minutes, basta ma-expose.
And you'll need that dahil pag sakaling umabot ang New San Jose sa next round,
Oh.
you want all your players to have that confidence. And I love the smile on Malu's face every time she scores.
Yun nga yung mga plays ni Coach Ken nakasentro kay Clemente eh, because yung fast plays, yung quick plays, those are the ones that earn quick points for your team.
Kanina, dikit na ang kilay ni Jendrauli. Will they close set number 3? They'll try again, talking about F2 Logistics. Mapalakas, mapamahina, maganda net defense ng San Jose, New San Jose. Cha to the back. And Cayo could not save that one. Set 3 is over F2 Logistics getting that one 25-17. We'll take a quick break, set number 4, when we return.